Hello everyone. Today we will discuss transpose of a matrix. When we take a matrix Aij m by n with the order m by n, then we interchange rows and columns. Means in place of row we are writing columns, in place of columns we are writing rows. Means it is like that, Ri interchanging Ci. Then that type of format is called transpose of the given matrix. So it is matrix Aij m by n transpose of Aj, कॉलम की जगह पर रो की जगह पर कॉलम Aj with n by m, and we denote it by dash a dash or a to the power t. So example I have taken here, matrix A 2 minus 9 3, order 3 by 1, 3 rows 1 column. When we are finding transpose of A, so it will be here 2 minus 9 3 means 1 row 3 columns, interchanging row with column. So this is called transpose of a matrix. Now we will discuss some properties based on transpose. There are 4 properties based on transpose. First property is A dash whole dash equals to A. Transpose of a matrix equals to matrix A. So example I am taking for this. If a matrix A is 1 2 means this is of our row 1 and column 2. When we are finding transpose of this, so it will be of 1 2 means 2 by 1. Again we are finding transpose, so we are getting 1 2 means we are getting 1 by 2. So we are getting here A dash whole dash equals to A. So this is the first property. Very simple it is. Transpose of A equals to A. Now second property, that is when we are taking two matrices with addition sign A plus B, then we are finding transpose. So this is here A dash plus B dash. Example I am taking for this, matrix A minus 1 0 0 1. This is of 2 by 2 order. Matrix B I have taken here 2 3 1 0, again 2 by 2 order. First we will find out A plus B. So A plus B, minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 1 plus 0 plus 1, and next is here 1 plus 0. So we will have here, we are getting here value, that is 1 3 1 1, 2 by 2. Finding transpose A plus B whole dash. So this is 1 3 1 1. So again order 2 by 2. This is left hand side part. Similarly we will find out right hand side part. So in right hand side first we will find out A dash. So A dash we will find, A dash is here minus 1 0 0 1. Now we will find out B dash. B dash will be here 2 3 1 0. Now we will find out A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash, right hand side part, this one. We will add both. So after adding we are getting what? We are getting here 1, then here also we are getting 1, then 3, then 1. You can see this value is equals to A plus B whole dash. So it is proved here. Always when we are taking addition A plus B and then taking transpose, this should be equal to A dash plus B dash. Now third property we will discuss, that is based on multiplication of a matrix by scalar quantity. Means when we are taking scalar product with transpose, so this value will be equals to K A dash. Example I am taking, K I am taking here 2 and A I am taking here minus 1 5, 2 by 1, 2 rows 1 column. First I am finding LHS part, KA. So this is here minus 2 and 10. Then I am finding KA whole dash. So it will be here minus 2, 10 with the order 1 by 2. Now I will proceed to right hand side part. This is KA dash. So K is here 2, A dash we will find out minus 1, 5 with the order 1 by 2. So finally we are getting minus 2, 10 and this value is equals to KA whole dash. So it is proved LHS equals to RHS. So third property also proved. Now fourth one, fourth property based on transpose. This is A into B whole dash, product of two matrices with dash equals to B dash A dash. We will take example for this. A is here minus 2, 3 means row 1, 2 column. B I am taking here 3, 4, 2 rows, 1 column. Now we can find out here resultant A into B. A into B we will find out. So it is here with the order 1 by 1. 1 row, 1 column. So minus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. So finally we'll have here minus 6 plus 12. So we have here value 6 AB. So we will find out transpose of this. Transpose will be similar, means 6 only. So this is equation 1 we will apply. Then we will find out right hand side part. This is left hand side. So right hand side we will find out first B dash, B dash. So it will be 3, 4, 1 by 2. Then we will find out A dash. Then it is minus 2, 3. So it will be 2 rows, 1 column. So B dash, A dash we will find out. Obviously it will be of order 1 by 1. So 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3. So finally we'll have here minus 6 plus 12. So we are getting the same value, means we are getting here AB whole dash equals to B dash A dash. So it is very clear. In any example you can take, always you can get this type of format only. These all are proven format because of that. So these all are called properties based on transpose. Thank you.